You've probably already heard that turmeric is supposed to reduce inflammation in the body, but does it really work? In this video, I'll explain exactly what turmeric can really do, but also when it hardly has any effect. Most importantly, learn how to use it properly so your body truly benefits. So stay tuned until the end, because there's a special Petra tip waiting for you. And that's how tradition meets our modern science. For thousands of years, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. And what was long considered mystical is now well documented. More than 70 medical conditions are positively influenced by turmeric. No other natural remedy has been studied so intensively. The most important active ingredient is curcumin. Turmeric owes its strong color, as well as its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cell protective effects to it, among other things. Turmeric, you know that turmeric is the one I'm talking about. It actually helps stop diseases before they even develop. Many lifestyle diseases start with silent inflammations, and that's exactly where turmeric comes in. For example, it protects against oxidized cholesterol and thus against vascular damage and cardiovascular diseases. But it can do much more. Turmeric inhibits the blood supply to tumors, suppresses cancer-causing genes, and strengthens healthy cells. And what about cells that have already changed? What does turmeric do there? Curcumin makes the cell membrane more permeable. A real disadvantage for the cancer cell. It actually becomes more unstable because of this. Turmeric or yellow root is also pure gold for the brain against dementia, Alzheimer's, and for better concentration. Curcumin actually penetrates the blood-brain barrier. It can actually improve memory functions in dementia patients. And it's no wonder that people in India, where turmeric is a daily part of the diet, have the lowest rate of Alzheimer's in the world. People there consume 1 to 2 grams daily. I usually take about 1 gram, sometimes 2 grams. No matter if you suffer from asthma, have too much mercury, or want to detox, turmeric helps. Turmeric also shows good results with allergic asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease due to its combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Even when it comes to removing mercury, such as after an amalgam filling, turmeric can really help. And yes, thank God, dentists are finally no longer allowed to use amalgam because mercury is just so dangerous for us humans. And now it's about how you can easily incorporate turmeric into your diet. I think turmeric goes with almost everything. I definitely sprinkle it over fried potatoes. Or, of course, I also add it to my tofu scramble because then it gives that nice yellow color and it looks like scrambled eggs. And if you add some kala namak salt, then you really feel like you're eating scrambled eggs. But let's move on. I also add it to Asian dishes, to mushroom dishes, in soups or with cauliflower, and by the way, also in my daily porridge. And there's something else to add. It just puts you in a good mood because this golden yellow color is a treat for the eyes. And you can get turmeric as a fresh root on one hand and as a powder on the other. My tip, if you use the fresh root, you have to wear gloves because when you grate the root fresh, it stains a lot. Or you can just use the powder like I usually do. And now my Petra special tip, because maybe you've already heard about the famous golden milk. If not, it's time. It's my favorite, especially in the evenings. Oat or almond milk, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a bit of pepper, because that increases the effect of turmeric by an incredible amount. And then add a few spices like cinnamon and cardamom, and then you have your golden milk. And of course, you can find the recipe below the video. Just give it a try. It tastes fantastic and is so good for you. And if you take it in the evening, you'll sleep like a baby. Turmeric can be a real power spice for your health. Start slowly and just give it a try. And share this video with everyone who could benefit from it. They will thank you for it.